So today we will learn how to make Patra Potli. So we have stuff here: castor leaves, nirgundi leaves, aak leaf. We have 20 ml of sesame oil, 20 gram of rock salt, 20 gram of soya seeds powder, 20 gram of fenugreek powder, and 10 gram of turmeric powder. And we have already cut it. We will show how to cut the rest leaves. So let's see how you have to cut. You have to make 250 gram of the leaves, 100 gram leaf of aranda leaves, 100 gram leaf of aak, and 50 gram of castor leaves. Okay, so you see how to cut. You have to make proportion. In 250 gram of leaves, 150 gram leaf of castor leaves, 50 gram aak leaves, 50 gram nirgundi leaves. You have to clean all the leaves and you have to cut in good shape. Ideal shape is this, not more bigger than or the wider than this. So you have to take also the cotton clothes, 1 feet wider and 2.5 feet longer. You have to make also a thread out of the cloth that you can make a potli. You can tie up the potli with these two thread. Let's see how to make the clothes properly. One piece. You have to cut the sides. If there is an extra, you can cut it by scissors. Soya seeds powder, fenugreek powder, turmeric powder, and second piece. For 10 minutes you have to mash all the leaves and you have to add sesame oil, rock salt, we mash it for 10 minutes. As proper you make this beautiful mixture, as stronger it will work. Continuously for 10 minutes and you see the color changes. It mixes properly. Because of the mash it gets warm also and it changes its color. Our mixture of the leaves is ready and we are going to make a potli with cotton. From both sides, all the sides. One knot, not very strong, not very loose. Folding of the tops. base, again roll and tight. Until the base to top. Again insert one more knot. And here our potli is ready. So our potlis are ready.